Really, the 2017 is an astonishing year, so much from the point of view of intensity, concentration and structure. A wine that's very different to the 16s, that were much more of a sort of elegant style, more lifted aromas perhaps. But it was a year that had a fairly unusual sequence, in so much that the cycle started early and also finished early, so it was a complete cycle under pretty unusual conditions in terms of rainfall. We had 300 millimeters of rainfall, which is very, very little, but the vine adapted to these conditions. The canopy was smaller, it produced small berries, small bunches, and all this together allowed for good ripening with remarkably little water. And I think another thing that's astonishing about 17, and sometimes more difficult to explain, but nevertheless clearly comes through in all these wines, is that the freshness in the wines, bearing in mind just how dry the year was, it is incredible that the balance and the freshness that these wines are showing. I also think that particularly at Malverdos, at the Graham's property, we had some fantastic Touriga Franca. The Touriga Franca is a variety that has more difficulty in ripening, is often the determining variety in achieving an overall quality adequate for vintage declarations. And clearly the Franca, which surprisingly so in 17 actually produced in our properties less than the Touriga Nacional, which is very unusual. But that factor also very much contributed to some really fantastic wines, very structured and very floral, which is the aromas coming off Franca are those violets, the more floral aromas, bringing another dimension to the already very concentrated wine.